Your case is coming up for trial and your treating doctor refuses to come in and testify on your behalf. What do? Can you subpoena that doctor into court, and will he help you if you do? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me, I'll tell you. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Now, imagine this scenario. Your case is coming up for trial. You want your treating doctor to come in and testify to explain to the jury exactly what the doctor did for you, what your injuries were, and what happened to you over the course of time in terms of your recuperation and the treatment that he provided. The problem is that your treating doctor doesn't want to take the time out of his busy schedule to come in and testify to the jury to explain to them exactly what occurred. Now, what do you do in that instance? Well, one of two things. One, you can actually serve a subpoena on your treating doctor that compels the doctor to come into court, and now they have no choice. And when you do that, let me ask you a question. Do you think the doctor is going to feel good about coming in and testifying? Or do you think the doctor is going to be miserable? He's going to be very antagonistic, and he's not going to be very happy when he gets on the witness stand knowing that he's now going to be wasting his entire day coming into court doing exactly the thing he did not want to do. Do you really think it's going to help your case? Well, I will tell you that in some instances we have no choice but to subpoena the doctor who treated you. Why is that? Because we need that testimony to give to the jury, to explain to the jury exactly what was done and why. Many times the treating doctor is key to letting the jury know exactly what happened to you, what they did for you, what treatment you received, and what problems you have now as a result of the carelessness and wrongdoing. So what happens in the event that we can't subpoena the doctor and the doctor refuses to come in? In that instance, we have no choice but to hire medical experts to then review the medical records and then explain to the jury exactly what it was that occurred. But the reality is, if you have to wind up subpoenaing, compelling the doctor to come into court, and now forcing them to come, take time out of their busy day, sit down in the courtroom and explain to the jury what occurred, I will tell you, for the most part, those doctors are not going to be very happy. And you try and explain to the jury that this doctor was forced to come in here, and we had to subpoena the doctor because he or she refused to come in. So why do I even tell you about this? I tell you about this to give you an insight and an understanding about some of the things that can go on during the course of trial. Chances are you have questions and concerns about your particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do, and you have legal questions, pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.